Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lock hidden photos on iPhone. So it is very easy. First of all, we need to go and open photos on our device, and here to simply hide photo we need to click on it, and then in the top right corner click on the three dots and choose hide, the third option, and confirm the action clicking on the hide photo once again. Now the photo is hidden, and to find this photo right now we need to scroll down the gallery until we'll find a hidden. As you can see, it says I have one hidden photo, and if I click on it, it will show me the hidden photos on my device. But basically, how to lock this hidden photos album. So basically, if anyone will get your phone unlocked, they will open the gallery and just simply click on the hidden photos and see them easily without passwords, without anything. How to lock them? So close the photos and go to the settings on your device. Now scroll down just to the end and click on the apps right here. Now in the apps you need to type in the search bar photos, so simply find photos and click on it. Now scroll down a little bit, and as you can see we have an option called use Face ID. So basically, if we turn this option on, it basically means that now if we want to open the hidden photos album on our device, the phone will require Face ID to open this album. Moreover, there is an option called Show a Hidden Album. So if we turn off this option, it basically means that we will hide the hidden album from our iPhone completely, and it won't be showed in the gallery anymore. But basically, if we just simply turn on Use Face ID, close the settings, go back to Photos and open a hidden, it will, as you can see, show us this option called Use Face ID to view this album. And basically that is it. That is how we can lock hidden photos on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.